channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Beyond Meat sausage, and this one is sweet Italian, and I'm going to be making a spaghetti recipe with it. So let's see how it turns out. So I have some gluten-free pasta cooking on the stove. Here I'm getting started on the spaghetti sauce. I'm starting off by dicing one yellow onion. Now I'm going to dice one red pepper. Now add a little bit of olive oil to the pan and let the onions and peppers cook. I'm going to take one small jar of roasted red pepper. I'm going to slice it up and add it to the pot. Now I'm taking 2 jars of spaghetti sauce and I'm adding it to the pot. You can use whatever spaghetti sauce you want. If the sauce is thick, then add some water to the jar, shake it up, and add it back to the pot. Now I'm adding a half a teaspoon of crushed garlic. I normally add this when the peppers and onions are done cooking, but I forgot, so I'm going to add it now. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of organic cane sugar, and then 1/4 cup of red hot sauce. Now I'm going to cover it and let it cook on low heat for 45 minutes to an hour. So here's the Beyond sausage, the sweet Italian. It says 38% less fat, less saturated fat. 16 grams of plant protein per serving. It's soy-free and gluten-free. Here are the ingredients. Let me see. The sausage is done, so I'm going to taste it by itself, and then I'm going to taste it in the spaghetti. ladies and gentlemen, Beyond sausage is a keeper. This tastes just like regular sausage. Like, I can't explain it. It tastes like the typical Italian sausage. This stuff is really good. You have to try it. Like, the flavors and the texture is like spot on. It has the same like casing that regular sausage would, like the skin around it. Look at the texture. Now I'm gonna try it in the spaghetti. I'm sure it's gonna taste amazing. I'm gonna add some Go Veggie vegan Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna add some of my sausage to it. Here's the spaghetti with the sausage in it. This is the best vegan sausage, hands down. Thank you for watching. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a Beyond sausage brat sausage review. So it's going to be the other sausage. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.